Hello students, welcome to your EVS class. Students, we are meeting after a long time. I hope you have enjoyed your holidays and studied too. Now let's come back to our studies. I'm sure you remember which chapter we were doing. Yes, we were doing chapter 4, our food. Today I will do the explanation of the chapter. Okay? Food. Food means what? Khana. We all know that we need food. Food is very important for us. The why do we need food? We need food because it is giving you energy to do various work. Like I'm reading, I'm explaining to you. For that, I need energy. From where I'm getting that energy? I'm getting from food. Then, energy we need to do various works for playing, writing, reading, singing. All the work which we do every day, we need energy, and food gives us this energy. Then, the other important work of food, it helps you to grow. Like if you eat proper food, your growth will be proper. Then many children you have seen that growth is not proper because they are not getting proper food. And one more important function of food, it will protect you from illness. It will protect you from getting any disease. If you eat healthy food, if you have a proper diet, it will protect you from illness. Like nowadays, you are aware of coronavirus. What the doctors are telling, that you should have proper food which is rich in proteins. It will protect you from the disease. Okay, so three basic functions of food: it gives you energy, it helps you to grow, and it protects you from illness. Okay, now food, when it is so important for the body, where do we get food? We get food from two main sources, either from plants or from animals. Okay, we get many food like your fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, जैसे दाल, चावल, गेहूं, फल, सब्जी. From where we are getting? We are getting from plants. That many food like your milk, egg, meat, we are getting from animals. So two main important sources of food, they are the plants and animals. Now people who eat only food which we get from plants, they do not eat meat, they are known as vegetarian. And person who will eat food which we get from plants and also they will eat animal food, they are known as non-vegetarians. Okay, now let us see food which we get from plants. The first one is the cereals. Cereals means grains, like your wheat, rice, they are cereals. अनाज, जिसको अनाज बोलते हो, in English we call cereals. गेहूं, then चावल, these are all cereals. Then pulses, pulses means dal. There are many different types of pulses: masoor dal, chana dal, urad dal, moong dal. All the dal, they are known as the pulses. Then another source of food, I said it is fruit and the other vegetables. Okay, now these are eaten in different form. Like cereals, if we take for wheat and rice, rice how do we eat? उसको चावल बना के हम लोग खाते हैं. wheat ऐसे नहीं खाते हैं, उसका आटा बनाते हैं, and then we make chapatis or rotis and eat. Okay, then maize and bajra, this is also cereals. वी मेक फ्लोर, जैसे मक्के के आटा, बाजरे का आटा, उसका भी रोटी बना के हम लोग खाते हैं. सो सीरियल्स, दे आर ग्राउंड इनटू फ्लोर एंड टेकन एज फूड. नाउ पल्सेस एंड सीरियल्स, व्हाट आर दे? पल्सेस आर द सीड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लांट्स. जो दाल हम लोग खाते हैं वो बेसिकली सीड्स है. ठीक है, लाइक दाल, peas, beans are all pulses and they are what? They are seeds of the plant. Now as I said that food, vegetables are also considered as food and they are very important for our body. Now vegetables, there are different types of vegetables. You have seen when your mother or father brings vegetables from the market, there are different categories of vegetables. Like some are green vegetables, some are leafy vegetables, some are colorful vegetables, some are grown inside the ground, some grow above the ground. So there are different types of vegetables. लाइक जब सब्जी की बात आई है तो हम लोग अलग अलग तरह की सब्जियां देखते हैं. कुछ है पत्तेदार सब्जी, जैसे आपका साग, बंद गोभी, वो लोग कुछ ग्रीन कलर्स के वेजिटेबल्स हैं, कुछ रेड कलर्स के वेजिटेबल्स हैं लाइक टोमेटो. देन कुछ ज़मीन के ऊपर उगते हैं, कुछ ज़मीन के नीचे उगते हैं. लेट अस सी what are these? Like some vegetables like spinach, lettuce and cabbage, they are green in color. Spinach means saag, lettuce means saag, cabbage, band gobi, they are all green in color and pattedar sabziyan hain. Then capsicum and lady's finger, they are also green but they are not leafy. Yes, करेला, भिंडी, कैप्सिकम, वो लोग भी ग्रीन कलर हैं बट दे आर नॉट लीफी, वो पत्तेदार नहीं है. देन टोमेटो एंड कॉलीफ्लावर आर नॉट ग्रीन. We have seen some tomatoes are red in color but green tomatoes are also available. We generally don't eat. Now vegetables, all vegetables, they will not grow above the ground. Like your cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, lady's finger, capsicum, they will all grow above the ground. But few vegetables like your radish, carrot, potato, onions, they grow under the ground. आपका मूली, गाजर, आलू, प्याज, ये लोग सब ज़मीन के नीचे उगते हैं. Yes, so vegetables are of different kinds, their color is different, where they are growing above or below the ground, that is also different. So we get different types of vegetables. Now fruits in the similar way, they are also of different types. Some are sweet, some are sour. Okay, that is also an important part of our food. Now food, vegetables we have to cook, but many vegetables we eat raw also. Raw means कच्चा भी हम लोग खा सकते. Vegetables like your carrot, radish, cucumber, tomato, we can eat raw also, but generally we cook the vegetables. Why? Because it makes it tastier and softer, which can be used by the body. मीन्स ज़्यादातर सब्जियां हम लोग पका के खाते हैं ताकि वो स्वादिष्ट लगे, नरम हो जाए, एंड इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी. Now when we are eating food, how it is helping our body? We are eating different types of foods, like we are eating rice, wheat, fruits, vegetables, the egg, meat, fish. We are putting oil, we are putting spices in the food. So different foods are doing different work for our body. Let us see. Like as we said that food gives us energy, so which type of food we should eat to get energies? Potato, sugar, butter, ghee, oil gives us energy. Means if we are eating this type of food which are rich in carbohydrates, they will give you energy, like potato, sugar, butter and ghee. Okay, butter and ghee is made from milk, we all know. Sugar and oil, they are plant products. Next, food helps you to grow also, we have seen. So which food will help you to grow? Pulses. इसलिए दाल खाना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि उसमें प्रोटीन्स रहता है जो आपकी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करता है. Pulses, meat, fish, eggs, milk, or things made of milk will help you to grow. So you should include these all things in your energy, and they will give you energy also. Milk and milk products are very necessary because they help in the growth of bones and teeth. ठीक है, इसलिए आपके खाने में दूध होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये आपको हड्डियों को मजबूत भी बनाता है. ऑल राइट. Now cereals, potatoes, sugar and oil gives us energy, but they do not help us to grow, we have seen. Now fruits and vegetables will protect you from illness. We have seen that food protects from illness. So your food, your diet should also contain fruits and vegetables because it will protect you from illness. And they will keep your eyes, teeth and bones and skin healthy. Okay. So in short, what we have seen, that food is important for our body because it is helping you to grow, giving you energy and protecting you from illness. Two main sources of food are animals and plants. In plants there are different categories of food like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables. Yes, and there are different types of vegetables, there are different types of fruits which we are eating, and different categories of food is helping the body in different way. Like potato, sugar, oil, ghee, butter, they give you energy. Then dal, meat, fish, egg, and then butter, yogurt or dahi, they will help you to grow because they are rich in protein. Milk also helps in the formation of bones and teeth, and fruits and vegetables will protect the body from illness. So we should eat food which is having all the categories like the cereals, the pulses, fruits, vegetables, okay, which will be beneficial for your body.